Stop overcomplicating your lead generation. My name is Paras. I live in Vancouver, Canada. From last 2 years, I'm building my high-ticket affiliate coaching business, and now we help affiliate and coaches to scale their business to $20,000 a month without sales call. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can acquire more customers, how you can deal with, I can show more offers to other people, and this is something the most problematic thing a lot of entrepreneurs, coaches, they face. So I'm going to talk about that. You have two options basically. Two options to generate leads in 2023. First is prospecting. Prospecting comes with both pros and cons. First pros is predictable. It's predictable. If you choose today, I'm gonna reach out to 50 people. I'm gonna cold DM 50 people today. If I cold call 50 people today, it's predictable. You know how many people you reach to, right? It's measurable. Okay, I talked to 50 people today. 25 replied. 3 of them see my offer. Simple game, right? And it's free. The best benefit is free. It's just take your little bit hard work, but it's totally free. Cons, people hate it. No one likes to, feel like, they're trying to sell something and things like that. And a lot of people just hate it. Then introvert. If you're an introvert, it's going to be really, really hard for the business to grow, right? Because you're not going to feel comfortable on the call. You're not going to feel comfortable talking to people all day, right? Feel salesy. When you're trying to sell someone, that's the reality of it. It can feel, even if your offer is really great, even if your offer can provide a lot of value, sometimes can feel salesy to, sell other people. Then when to use it? When you're starting for zero. You're a total beginner. You don't have results yet. You don't have to spend money on ads. You don't have to spend time on putting out content for months. You can still get results today. You don't have a validated offer. Imagine you put in 2 months work and you don't have a validated offer. All the things have gone to the garbage, right? Your offer is validated. You have it validated. If you can validate by this process. You can do it doing testing and stuff. Avoid burning money on ads. You don't want to burn money on ads and stuff. Then marketing, organic, pros. That people get it. I'm gonna change this. People get attracted to you. Low pressure. And when you're putting out organic content, just giving value. For example, if you're a fitness coach and you want to help people gain a certain result, you can give them a free case study or something like that so you can get the result they want. Not salesy. People only come to you by seeing your content, and it's a totally different game. They are asking about your offer. Cons, takes a lot of time. Expensive ad. If you have a piece of content you wanna show to a lot of people, it's gonna take a lot of, it's a little bit expensive to run ads in 2023. You need an audience. Little bit cons of that. When to use it? Your offer is validated. You are already making money. Offer is validated. People are getting results from it. Good to go. You're making money. You can spend a lot of money on learning different skills, content creation, running a little bit of ads so you can get that influence, right? You have some case studies. When you have some case studies, you gather proof of concept, like this is something and people can get results from. Accelerate what's working. Now, when you went from, when you use this, when you are, not at zero, then you can accelerate what's working. Prospecting. This is something I use myself to go to 10K. We use a mixture of marketing and prospecting. So what we did, we was making content, but we still reach out to other people so we can put more fuel into the business. And for this, I would say, if you're prospecting to 0 to 10K, go for this. And you want to use some marketing to accelerate to 20K. So 0 to 10K, you can easily, if you have an offer of, at least 5K, 6K, 2 offers a month, you're sitting at 10K a month. Then you can use marketing and you have the proof of concept to clients are getting results. Then you can use marketing to escalate to 20K a month. Hope this brings you a lot of value. Guys, if you want to learn more how we can help you scale your business to $20,000 a month without sales call in 3 hours a day, feel free to join the free private community. We do a lot of trainings, interview with millionaires in the industry. You have power pack community, more than 600 members now. So feel free to join. If you like my content, please subscribe, be like, so more people can get value toward this, and more people can grow their coaching businesses to that level so we can have a bigger impact in this coaching space. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.